In this video, I will show you how to get rid of slugs from your garden. Hi, I am Ansi. Welcome to my zero budget balcony garden. Today, I am going to show you a method that I found in internet to solve the problem of slugs from your garden. In internet, you can find solution for every problem in your life. Some works, some doesn't. I found this interesting method to get rid of slugs by using beer. I found it really fun and so I want to try it. Let's get started. For this experiment, you need only two things. 1. A container. 2. Some beer. I am using an empty cream cheese container for this. You can use any container which is not so shallow but not so deep. The beer you can choose as per your preference, but I recommend not to choose a high quality beer. Your partner can really get sad. We don't want to make them sad and cry. Or you don't have to use the whole bottle of beer for this experiment. You can drink the rest of the beer with your partner or friends. Next step is dig a hole near the plant which is being attacked by the slugs. The depth of the hole should be the same size as the depth of the container. That's the reason I suggested not so deep container. But at the same time, not so shallow, so that the slugs won't escape. We struggled a bit to find the right balance. We have to do this in the night so that we can catch the slugs. Have you ever tried some experiments which you found online? And how was the experience for you? I am interested to hear your stories. Please leave it on your comment section. Now I am letting it stay overnight and let's check the results. Ta-da! It's morning. I didn't find any slugs in the morning or in the next 3 days. It can be due to one of these two reasons. 1. There is no slug near my dahlia plant. 2. Slugs don't like this brand of beer. Next time, I will try wine. The only difference I noticed is birds around my balcony are singing louder and happier than ever. If you like my video and want to watch future updates, please like and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to click the bell button too. See you soon.